Bullavanaka, and welcome back to Fiji. Doing another bit of beach metal detecting today, and this is where we are. Another beach. It's a little like a little horseshoe beach, this one. And up the end of the beach there, that's where we've sort of camped out for the day. So we're just going to go along the top of the beach here and around the point there, sort of, maybe you can see a little cutting just sort of around here. Do a bit of that, then hopefully when the tide goes out, along the little gutter there, it's a fairly deep gutter where the waves are crashing in there. Alright, if you like the video, please subscribe, leave some comments, click the like button, click the bell if you do subscribe. That way you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Alright, well let's get going. I've got a bit of a target here. Okay. Let's come out in the first dig. Let's see what we've got. Bit of aluminium. Okay, I don't know if you can see out through the breakwalls there. Looks like you've got a fishing boat heading out for the day. There was a big storm earlier on. You can see it's pretty cloudy. And over there you can see Becker Island at the moment. But earlier on you couldn't even see that because of the rain. Okay, well anyway, I found a target here. So I'm just about to give it a dig. See what we got. Now up the top here near the trees, as expected, I thought we might get a few bottle tops, and I can see it here already. Fiji bitter. About to head up under this little pandanus here. That's a nice little spot for people to sit in the shade. See how we go. Well, here we are. As you can see, I don't know if you can see here, like there's the ash here, the black ash. So they'll obviously light fires here and have a feed, and I've already found a couple of bottle tops which I haven't sort of put on video. But I've got another target here. I'm pretty sure it's pretty much the same. Got another bottle top. Give it a dig on camera, you never know. Done on camera might bring him a bit more luck. Or not. There's one over there, bottle top. Oh, it's still in the ground here. There's something still in there. So the fire pits are all through here as well. So and let's get this pinpointer out. I think there's all sorts of rubbish in here. And here comes the rain again. I didn't dig this one, but I'll get rid of it anyway, just in case. It's still saying there's something right in here, so Oh, there's a rain. Okay, looking close. An old bracelet. I'll take it back up to the car actually. I'll just get out of the rain, but maroony colour. Looks like a yeah, the little thing's broken on the end. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like little garnets and a bit of silver. Anyway, the rain's getting heavier now, so I'm going to head back to the car. Okay. A couple of targets there. Sort of dug out. One was a bottle cap. And this one here, I could see it when I dug it out. Just looks like a heap of aluminium. As there's a few little fires up around the trees there, so I think that's what it is, just beer cans. As you can see, the rain's passed. Sort of a bit typical of Fiji. The rain comes out, does its thing, then off it goes again, which is good for me anyway. Alright, I'm heading up to those pandanus trees again. Okay, another dig. I've got a big tree root just on top. Big green V. It's a drink bottle cap. Okay, I'm down the other end of the beach at the moment. Sort of went up under the trees there, and unbelievable amount of cans and bottle tops. I mean, I don't know if you can see the blue bins they've got here as well. People park right next to them and there's just rubbish. So I give up there. Actually, most of the bottle caps and cans I just put into the bin that I found up there. So I'm back down the other end of the beach. Well, today's been a pretty sort of common day as far as bottle caps. Well, there's a nice pile of coral there. It was swooshed up into one little heap, so I might have a dig through there to see what's in there, because it seems to be collecting a few heavies. And they're along the edge there as well. Another beach resort just there. I think it's a beach resort. Or it could be a housing estate. There's a new housing estate getting built. So that could be some of the new beachfront homes. Alright, we'll keep going. I had a bit of a signal in the coral here. I think it might have been this one here on the surface I might have been picking up. Although the pinpointer says it's in here. There's a bit of metal there, a bit of glass. Which I'll take out because I'm sure kids come through here as well. But it's under there somewhere, I think. I'll just try the pinpointer. Oh, I think that might have been it actually, that bit of wire that was sitting on the top. Anyway, keep going. Okay, I'll come up into this little inlet. Had the one dig here. In the hole. You guessed it. Bottle cap. When I was coming along here though, there's fruit on these trees here. I don't know what they are. Yeah. Any of the Fijian subscribers might know what that is, so if you can leave a comment below. They're like a, I know back in Australia, like a little bush plum or something like that. Yeah, they're all through here, so. Anyway, keep going. I just dug this hole. And on top, an old rusty knife blade. Yeah, just going from this one beach here, There's a little walkway through the bush here where you can get through to the next little beach. So just going for a little walk. As you can see, there's a bit of rubbish. And down there somebody's had a bit of a party. Left all the Fiji gold beer bottles behind. Anyway, just walking through here. A little bit windier on this side. This is another little beach on this side. Oh, looks like somebody's got into the coconuts. Nice. Dehusk them and so unless I find something, because there's probably too much wind noise coming through, I won't record it. Okay, well, nothing over this side really. Below this little bit here I just dug out. It's about 4 scoops or 3 scoops deep. Just metal, junk metal. That's my day today. Clean up all the junk. But anyway, I'll go back out the other side. It's a bit windy on this side. Tide coming right up now. Well, this is what we got for today. As you can see, all the bottle tops, just a bit of scrap wire, nice Smirnoff one which found down in the rock pools, the old knife blade, and a bit of scrap metal, top of a tin, bit of wire. The only thing of worth, I suppose, is this it's either an anklet or a bracelet. Been there a little bit because it's starting to green off on the clasp and that, but you can see where it's sort of broken off on the end here. The little eyelet or ringlet, whatever they call it, that the clasp goes into is broken off. Little beads are nice though, but yeah, it looks like garnet, but and again, I'm no expert. But anyway, that was it for today. Okay, on our way home I thought we'd stop off at a local creek just to see how much water was running, because it's sort of part of the little creek system that I've done a bit of gold panning and sluicing, and the water's, even though there's had a fair bit of rain, yeah, the water's not up really high, so it's good actually. So I don't actually sluice or gold pan along this little section. It's further up into the mountains. So as you can see here though, it's beautiful. It's another part of that little creek system where I was before. You walk up that way, around the bend, and as you can see it heads off into the mountains. And this way, this is where I normally do my gold panning, sluicing right up into the mountains up that way. This is the lower end where a lot of people come. Stones, I'm not sure what they are, but I know one of my subscribers, she collects stones. She's lost a full bottle of water. So might be full of these campers up here, so I'll take it up to them. The cicadas. It's beautiful there, isn't it? Yeah, the water's really nice and cool. Really nice and cool. Compared to the beach today where the water was warm. Out on the mountains it's cool. But anyway, up further there's a bit of a water hole as well, where a lot of the locals go in swimming. Anyway, if you liked our video, please subscribe. Click the like button, leave some comments. And if you do subscribe, click the bell so you get all our other videos notifications as well. Alright, well we're going to head off home now. Until next time, Tanaka.